Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have the right permissions: account owner, admin, or parental access. Once done, open the app or website and go straight to Settings or Account. Make sure you're on the primary device and signed in with the correct account. This prevents toggling the wrong profile. If prompted, enter your password or verify via email or phone. These first steps prevent lockout and ensure you can change safety controls without interruption or unintended changes. Next, navigate to Safety, Privacy, or Chat settings where moderation controls live. You will see labels like Safe Chat, Filtering, or Content Moderation. Click or tap to expand options. Choose the appropriate account or profile if multiple exist. Then change the toggle from on to off or set filtering level to allowed. You may be asked to re-enter credentials or acknowledge risks. Do that to apply changes. Once changed, the system updates preferences, and you can test chat behavior immediately. Finish by saving settings and restarting the app or refreshing the web page so new preferences take effect. Then send a test message to confirm safe chat behavior changed as expected. If the option is grayed out or reverts, make sure device-level restrictions, family management tools, or organizational policies aren't enforcing it. One troubleshooting tip: check any linked parent, school, or enterprise account for enforced controls and remove or adjust that higher-level restriction before retrying the toggle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.